Let's talk about Bitcoin, and let's talk about how Michael Saylor is down $1 billion on his Bitcoin investment. Bitcoin has never survived a stock market bear market. It has never survived an economic collapse. It's never survived a recession, but this is the exact environment that Bitcoin was designed for. Bitcoin should be thriving right now. But the problem is there's no real use case for Bitcoin outside of being a store of value. You can't really program it. It doesn't have much value outside of just being a store of value. And if people don't see it as a store of value because price keeps coming down, does Bitcoin really have the value that everybody thinks it does? We know that there's many issues with the current monetary policies and there's plenty of issues with the current financial system, but Bitcoin was never really designed to meet the demands of global world adoption. In order to do that, you need a blockchain like Kadena. Kadena is Bitcoin, but with smart contract capabilities. It's just as decentralized, it's actually scalable, and it can scale to meet the demands of global real world adoption. So if we want to get away from the current financial stronghold that these elite ivory tower cork soakers have on us, should we be looking to move out of Bitcoin and start adopting a technology like Kadena that could actually be a competitor, that could actually be used as currency, that could actually meet the demands of global real world adoption? Or should we be diversifying into both? Now, I personally just became a whole coiner today to officially have one full Bitcoin. And the reason behind that is because I bet against Bitcoin every bear market. Every time I thought the technology couldn't evolve, I thought that the technology was old and outdated, and I misunderstood the technology. But I'm officially a whole coiner, so hopefully this time I'm right, but you never know, guys. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Let's dive into this article. I'd like to start off by saying that Coindesk is probably the most untrustworthy media outlet in the entire crypto space. Did JP Morgan and Chase pay $10,000 to have this article wrote? Very, very possible. So keep that in mind. Coindesk is just a paid shill. Their information is half accurate. And when the market gets super bearish, these whales, these elite players, they pay companies like Coindesk to publish articles to make the market even more bearish. They drive price down till they think that everybody's given up on crypto. The whales step in, they scoop it up, and we go to the moon after that. So just to let you guys know how the game's being played. Michael Saylor's MicroStrategy is sitting on an unrealized loss of more than $1 billion on his Bitcoin holdings as the price of the largest crypto on the market value touches $29,900 in Monday trading. The CEO of the technology company began purchasing Bitcoin in August of 2020 at price just under $12,000. Subsequent purchases over the following months brought the company's holdings to 129,918 Bitcoin, now valued at under $3 billion compared to what it was nearly $4 billion, now valued at $3 billion compared to what they actually paid for the asset, which was $4 billion. Most of the funding of MicroStrategy's buys came from via junk bonds and convertible note sales. Last month, Saylor dismissed talks of a margin call, stating that a problem would occur only if Bitcoin reached $3,562. MicroStrategy shares are down 24% on Monday as it led the sell-off in the crypto-related stock. Disclosure, please note that our privacy policy and terms and cookies, the leader in the news information on cryptocurrency digital assets and the future of money, Coindesk is a media outlet that strives for the highest level of journalistic standards and abides by a strict set of editorial policies. Coindesk is an independent operation subsidiary of Digital Currency Group, which invests in cryptocurrencies and blockchain startups. So right there should be telling you guys, these big Wall Street / crypto hedge funds elites, they control the market, guys. They already have their limit buy orders in. They want all you guys to sell your Bitcoin, but that's the scary part. You really never know. Are you sitting in Ethereum, an asset that will never ever put in a new all-time high? Sitting in a crypto asset that a majority of the world has already given up on? Retail investors just don't realize it yet? Or is Bitcoin going to survive like it always does? Is it going to rise like a phoenix out of the ashes? Time shall tell. I'm a full Bitcoiner. I'll ride it all the way down to zero. I keep packing my bags on Kadena. My goal was to stop buying Kadena, start DCing into Bitcoin until I accumulated a full Bitcoin. Got that full Bitcoin now. So that being said, should I grab 2 Bitcoin? Should I try to put another 20,000 into Bitcoin and accumulate 2 Bitcoin? Or should I try to put another $20,000 into Kadena and be a part of the greatest technology revolution that the world has ever seen? You guys let me know in the comments. Love you guys. Hit that subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up, then check out my Kadena playlist. This one blockchain is going to change every